guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I started emptying out my greenhouse. I spoke to you guys before of me wanting to clean the greenhouse, so I just want to show you guys all my plants that are normally in the greenhouse. Some of these may not be, like in this little table, probably these two. I was brushing my hand because I started brushing, and then I'm like, okay, let me record. And then everything that goes in the greenhouse is under here, and then here's more plants. Right now, because I want to start cleaning and making sure I don't run out of time, I can't take the time and show you each plant. I just wanted to show you guys real quickly like that. And let me show you what the greenhouse looks like right now. Oh, I gotta take out this carpet, but anyways, it's empty. I want to wash all the plastic, and then I want to just brush all this out and stuff like that. So yeah, all the cleaning. But this is what it looks like. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. Here's what it looks like, all empty. Here, look at the door. See, the door looks pretty gross. It's more yellow in person, I think. But we'll see what comes off. I don't know what is actually gonna come off. It's hard to tell. So yeah, I'm just excited to clean it and just have it nice and clean. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, I have an update. So I finally finished wiping all the panels inside and then also in the front. And I also did unscrew some of the panels in order to get to some areas. I can't do it to all because then I'll be here forever, but the areas that were like a really eyesore, that's what I did. And especially that one panel back there was full of bugs, so I did take it down, wipe it down, and then put it back on there. So yeah, it's all clean. I had to put some of my euphorbias in because the other day it was dropping down to 49, and they can handle up to 50. So just in case, I grabbed most of my euphorbias and put them in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna now start placing things back. The outside still needs to be washed. I just wiped down some areas that I can reach. See this panel here, I guess next time, like when everything is moved away from that wall and I'm cleaning the outside, I'll unscrew that and kind of get in between those two panels. But yeah, things like that, that's what I've been doing. So it's all clean now, and now the work starts by just bringing in everything back. The first thing I'm going to start putting in is the plants. Look at my giant euphorbia. I'm going to cut it, guys. I can't keep getting tall, because what's going to happen is it's going to get so tall to the point where it's going to break itself. So I might have to trim it. So yeah, it's so tall and pretty. But yeah, I'm going to trim it and we'll see what happens. I'm probably going to do that in the springtime just to be on the safe side. And yeah, that's it. On the outside, and probably when spring break comes along, I'll probably have time to probably touch up some paint on the outside and just keep it, from rotting. Most of it, I think everything is treated wood, but still treated wood still only lasts so long. What helps it last is the paint. So I got to do that. So yeah, let me start moving things in, and then I'll show you when I'm done. Oh yeah, another thing is I found these ornaments. I think it was, how many in a pack? Oh gosh, I can't remember in a pack. Is it 4 in a pack? For 50 cents at Hobby Lobby. So, and they had lights, but I took off the little lights, like fake lights, on the cactus because they're little ornaments. And I hung them all here, and I think they look so cute. You really can't see them, but yeah, they're blue, red, pink, and green. So they're so cute up there. Anyways, let me start moving things in, and then I'll keep you guys updated. Guys, I am finally done. Greenhouse has been cleaned, and the inside really well. Some areas, like in the front, I cleaned. And then, like I said before, I'll have to remove all this, clean, and also paint and do some touch-up around the outside area. But I'll probably do that either in spring or summer, where I have more time. But yeah, I'm super happy that I did it. I also rearranged some of these in the front. This guy, I'm gonna see how he does out here. If it does start to rain too much, which I don't think it is, then I'll probably have to move it. But let me fix this. Okay, so let me open up and show you guys what it looks like inside. I cleaned the door. It looks so nice and clean. I did move, again, panels, like I said, in order to make it really nice and clean. I feel like I have, for some reason, a lot more room now. So let me just see if I can show you guys what it looks like on one side and then the other. It is hot now. It is beautiful still outside, and if you're in the shade, it feels really nice, but right now it's getting hot, so it is really warm in here, but everything looks good. I did take advantage and I watered lightly this morning. So yeah, but I'm so happy because now it's clean, and now all I have to do is little by little, probably I like to fix the top of the cactuses. Like if they've been recently repotted and I threw topping on it and then I watered, it gets all messed up. But then once everything gets really firm, you can remove some of that and then do it again so it stays nice and clean. But yeah, everything is clean now. Let me see if I can zoom out a little more. This is what it looks like. So nice. Just such a nice breeze. Look at my monkey tail. It's doing so well. This is the original mom plant that I cut, propagated, and the propagation is doing so good. And then these plants are doing really well. I need to I have some cuttings that I need to repot. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, a lot, like with all the other arrangements that are around. These I purchased a while ago and I haven't done anything with them, so I need to do something with that as well. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you when the time comes that you can start doing that. It is best to do it in cooler weather than super hot weather. So yeah, and that's what it all looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.